Hello students, let us solve one problem based on the topic parallel lines from class ninth. So question is based on this diagram given, and the question is, in the given figure, line AB is given to be parallel to line CF and line BC is parallel to line ED. So this is given, and from this we have to prove that angle ABC is equal to angle FDE. So as we can observe, so if we observe in diagram, we have angle ABC and angle FDE. We have to show that these two angles are congruent. Now to prove this, we need two more points on these lines given. So let us have another point on line BC. So let that point be M, and there is another point on line ED, let it be N. So by having these 2 points, we are going to start the proof. In this diagram, we have angle CDN and angle FDE, which are vertically opposite angles. And we know that vertically opposite angles are congruent. That's why these two angles are congruent, because these are vertically opposite angles, and we'll call this as equation number 1. Now, it is given that line AB is parallel to line CF. So we'll start with that one. If line AB is parallel to line CF, and if we consider line BC as their transversal, then we got two angles, angle ABC and angle PCM. If we consider these two are corresponding angles, so they must be congruent. Angle ABC is congruent to angle PCM, as these two are corresponding angle, and because line AB is given to be parallel to line CF, and if we consider BC as their transversal, then these two are corresponding angles. And we know that if two lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles are congruent. That's why angle ABC is equal to angle PCM. We call this as equation number 2, and the reason is corresponding angles. In the same way, there is another pair of parallel lines, line BC and line ED. So it is also given to be parallel. So line BC is parallel to line ED. And again, if we consider these two parallel lines and CF as their transversal, then we have another pair of corresponding angles, that is angle PCM and angle CDN. These two angles are also corresponding angles. And in the same way, if these two lines are parallel, corresponding angles so formed must be congruent, that is angle PCM is equal to angle CDN. We'll call this as equation number 3. Again, the reason is corresponding angles. If we compare equation 2 and 3, from these two equations, you can see in the second equation angle ABC is equal to angle PCM, and in third one angle PCM is equal to angle CDN. So from these two, as we can see, the first angle is congruent to second one, the second angle is congruent to third one. That's why from these two equations we have first angle must be congruent with the third one, that is angle ABC is congruent to angle CDN. But in equation 1 we have proved that angle CDN is equal to angle FDE. So instead of angle CDN on the right hand side, we can write angle FDE, as both of these two are congruent angles. That's why if we replace angle CDN by FDE, we get angle ABC is equal to angle FDE, and this is from equation number 1. That is we wanted to prove. This angle ABC is equal to angle FDE.